All right, YouTube. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a rhythm for a particular song. Have you ever had a player sometimes playing something like this? Playing Kambuliegelu Chineke, Kambuliegelu Norugi, Ambuliegelu Chineke, Ambuliegelu Norugi, Chinemema Kambuliegelu Norugi, and sometimes change the rhythm. And when you listen to the song, the thing sound classic to the extent you say, how come? How the person begin to play another thing like this? I'm going to play it and show you the secrets of how to do it. Let's go. Kambuliegelu Chineke na kambuliegelu n'olulu Ambuliegelu Chineke, ambuliegelu n'olulu Chinemema kambuliegelu n'olulu Kambuliegelu n'olulu ambuliegelu Chineke na kambuliegelu n'olulu Ambuliegelu Chineke na ambuliegelu n'olulu All right. Today, ask me secret of creating this rhythm. This is a particular nice rhythm for every song you listen to, every chord progression you played, how to create a rhythm for that. Very simple and understandable. Now we have figured out that I've teach inversion several times on this channel. If you never know inversion, you are still wasting your time. You are still wasting your time. You don't want to learn. That is it. Because if you check my previous lessons, you will understand where I show you some inversions, how you can practice and learn it. So we have understand that the progression of this song is Kambuliegelu Chineke na kambuliegelu n'olulu gị Ambuliegelu Oh ambuliegelu n'olulu gị Chineke ambuliegelu n'olulu gị. So the song is just 1 1 4 5 5 1 1 1 4 4 5 5 1. So the song is like that. And first of all, I wanted to create So this song to create this thing is not difficult. If I tell you the secret, you say, is that all? The secret is that I've played Kambuliege no Chineke na Kambuliege no Rugi. So in order to continue playing one again, I went about playing. This is kind of pentatonic scale. Chord 4. I have played pentatonic scale in order to wait for chord 4. So that is it. I played pentatonic scale in order to wait for chord 4. This thing that I play here is not it just I use pentatonic. I know you know pentatonic scale. Pentatonic scale is when you minus this fa and t on a key major and major scale, which is sorry. pentatonic scale. You can play it to wait for chords. This is the help of pentatonic scale. That is instead of playing the chord one again. You can create something like that. So another thing is that if you don't want to create within this, you can use your just 4 notes. So this one is my 4 chord. I'm using 4 notes, my 4 hand to create this one. So this thing that I'm playing is the same thing I teach you. This is how you can do it. This is how you can create it. It's the same thing that I'm teaching you. So there's no any other secret if not this. Even for soloing, it just will help you. If you know how to create all this rhythm, particular rhythm for soloing, there's nothing you will do. Just in order play pentatonic scale, add it with some chord that you're playing. Let me play soloing now so that you understand. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly subscribe on my channel for more videos. Thank you so much.